Hello everyone, myself Miss Shraddha Punda, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, Kekivak Polytechnic, Nasik. Once again, I welcome you all to my educational video channel. In this video, we will discuss about general maintenance of wind power plant. So let us see. Before that, let us see what is maintenance and which type of maintenance takes place in wind farm. Maintenance is any process which is used to keep the wind turbines in consistent working order. In short, in order to have the better operation and performance, we should go for periodic maintenance. So, in the wind farm, the maintenance may include lubrication of moving parts such as gearbox and bearings, checking of connections within the system, resolving any major issues that may develop in the system, changing of oils, belts that also included in maintenance, testing and regard realigning shafts and hydraulic components. Now let us see what are the objectives behind the maintenance which is carried out in wind power plant. Firstly, it will provide personal safety. So in order to have the personal safety, maintenance should be there. Next is environment safety. In order to have a good reliability, maintenance should be carried out. The next objective is to maximize the turbine's output, as we know that it is the main part of the wind power plant. In order to increase the wind availability, maintenance should be there, as we know that maximum extraction of wind from the atmosphere will result into better output of wind power plant. In order to increase the efficiency of wind power plant, maintenance is required. In short, in order to have the good performance of the wind power plant, maintenance is required. And maintenance also provides the better turbine life. Now let us see what are the general maintenance carried out in wind power plant. So there is a checking of blades, that means the position of the blades with respect to the wind flow and also the status of it. If it is required, then there is a replacement of blades and bearings. Then periodic performance of wind turbine recording is there, and according to that the action is taken. Also there is a checking of machines for the corrosion, as we know that it is installed in atmospheric, or it suffers from atmospheric conditions. Then checking of gay wires for proper tension. Then tightening of bolts. Maintenance of control system, sensors and machines. Now we will see the different types of maintenance which are carried out in wind power plant, out of which first is preventive maintenance, next is scheduled maintenance or it is planned maintenance, next is unscheduled, which is also a unplanned, or it is carried out after some malfunctioning or the breakdown occur in the power plant. So let us see first preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is also carried out with the goal of increasing asset lifetime by preventing excess depreciation and impairment or untimely breakdown. In short, in order to avoid any damages or breakages or any failure in the system, so as a precaution, it is firstly carried out. This maintenance includes, but it is not limited to, adjustments, cleaning, some lubrications, repairs, and parts replacements. Next is scheduled maintenance, which is also called as planned maintenance. Scheduled maintenance is any repair and upkeep work performed within a set time frame. It details when given maintenance tasks are performed and by whom. Scheduled maintenance may occur at repeating intervals or in response to a work request. So there is a proper scheduling of maintenance which is to be carried out. This type of maintenance is carried out in accordance with an established time scheduled or established number of units of use. Scheduled wind turbine maintenance is usually completed twice a year, resulting in about 12 to 18 hours of downtime for each maintenance event. Generally, only a few turbines in facility are down at a one time for maintenance activities. Next is unscheduled maintenance. Unscheduled maintenance refers to repairing equipment once it is already broken. That means when fault is occur or any damage or failure is there, then immediately this type of maintenance is carried out. Other name for this type of maintenance include corrective maintenance or breakdown maintenance, or it may be called as reactive maintenance and run to failure maintenance. It is unscheduled because you don't know when your equipment is going to break down. That is why it is breakdown maintenance. Means once the breakdown is there, immediately this maintenance is carried out. This is the simplest form of maintenance and requires the least planning. Thank you for listening.